Good morning, children. Yes, today we are going to see division of fractions. What we are going to see? Division of fractions. Yes, today we are going to see division of fractions. Okay. Take out page number 95. Page number 95, children. Yes, page number 95. Page number 95. What you are going to write first? Yes, write the reciprocal of 3 1 by 7. Reciprocal means reverse. Yes, write the reciprocal ante reverse, reciprocal of. Yes, a1 is 3 1 by 7. First change it into improper. 3 sevens are 21, 22 by 7, that is nothing but 22 by 7. That is reciprocal is nothing but reciprocal is equal to 22 by 7, children. Yes, you have to write like that. Reciprocal is 22 by 7. Yes. See, now the second one. I'll show you one more, children. Yes. B1. What is the B1? 11, 1 by 3. That is nothing but 3 11s are 33. 33 plus 1, 34 by 3. Reciprocal is equal to 3 by 34. Okay, like this you are going to write. Here F1 you see you have only 3. Yes, reciprocal of 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. 3 by 1, reciprocal of 3 means reciprocal of 3 is nothing but 3 only, children. Same. Yes, reciprocal of 3 is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Okay, like this you are going to write. Okay, did you all finished? Now go to second bit, children. Go to second bit. Divide. Yes, divide. Second bit, divide. Yes, divide. What you are going to do? Divide second bit. 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So what did I say you? Whenever you have division side, yes, this number will be the same and put into reciprocal of 5 by 1. That is nothing but reciprocal of, this is R, reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. Okay, 5 ones are 5 ones are. That is nothing but 3 by 1, that is equal to 3. Yes, shall I show you one more? B1 you see. This is A1, now I am showing you B1. B1 is 7 by 9 divided by 1 by 5. This 7 by 9 you have to write as it is and put here division, this is a multiplication sign and it is inverse. 5 by 1. 7 5s are 35 by 9. That's all. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 7 5s are 35, 9 1s are 9. Okay. Now I am going to show you E1. E1 children. E1 7 1 by 3 divided by 11 by 15. 11 by 15. 11 by 15. So first change it into improper solution. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22 by 15 divided by 11 by 50. 22 by 3 it is, not 15. 22 by 3 is equal to 11 by 15. Now what should you do? You have to remove division sign. 22 by 3 into 15 by 11. Division తీసేసి ఈ fraction ఉల్టా రాయాలి కదా. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. That is nothing but 2 into 5 by 1 into 1. 10 by 1, that is nothing but 10. When you have denominator in 1, you have no value. That is equal to 10. In the same way, do the remaining problems also. Yes? I said you 3 sums. The other 6 are for your homework. Yes? Now go to page number 96. Simplify. Yes, page number 96, you have simplify. Page number 96. Page number 96, children, simplify. Third bit, simplify, you have, yes. What is the first one? 7 1 by 4 divided by 2, 2 by 3 divided by 9 by 16. So, first solution, change mixed fraction to improper. Change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Change mixed fraction to improper fraction. So, what do you have in the mixed fraction? 7 1 by 4. 7 4 4 7 are 28. 28 plus 1, 29 by 4. And next one is 2 2 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 8 by 3. Yes. Now, what are the fractions? 29 by 4 divided by 8 by 3 divided by 9 by 16. Now, remove division signs and put multiplication. 29 by 4 into వేసినప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది, ఇది రివర్స్. ये क्या लिखना, उल्टा लिखना. फिर इधर भी इंटू डाल के इसको भी रिवर्स लिखो. 6 by 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. अब क्या बच गए? 29 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 into 3. 29 by 6. Okay. Come on, right. Now I'll say you D1, B, C are for homework. Okay. Now I'm going to explain you D1. Okay. Yes. Come on, write D1. Did you all write this, children? What is the D1? Yes, D1. D1 is 3 1 by 3 into 4 1 by 2 divided by 1 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 5. Okay? Solution. First change mixed fraction to improper. Change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Improper fraction. Yes. What mixed fraction do you have, children? 3 1 by 3, that is nothing but 3 3s are 9, 10 by 3. Now 4 1 by 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 by 2. Now 1 1 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 3, 3 by 2. Then next 2 1 by 5, 11 by 5. So now you are going to write 10 by 3 into 9 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 into 11 by 5. Okay, children. Now remove this division sign. 10 by 3 into 9 by 2 into इधर रिवर्स. डिविजन के बाद का फ्रैक्शन जो भी है उसको रिवर्स करना. 2 by 3 into 11 by 5. ये सब कुछ भी नहीं करना क्योंकि ఇక్కడ ఏముంది మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సైన్ ఉన్నవి ఏం చేంజ్ చేయొద్దు. ఓన్లీ డివిజన్ సైన్ ఉన్న చోటనే డివిజన్ తీసి మల్టిప్లై చేసి రివర్స్ రాయాలి దాని తర్వాత ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఓకే, నౌ యూ క్యాన్సిల్. 2 1s are 2 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now what is remaining? 2 into 1 into 1 into 11. Yes, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. That is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. By 1, that is equal to 22. Over, children. In the same way, you do C and B for homework. Okay. Now go to word problems in page number 100. Go to word problems in page number 100. Read, think and solve. Okay. Yes. Copy C question, children. C1. Copy C question. Page number 100. Copy C question, children. Which one you are going to copy? C1. Yes. First we are going to do C1. Page number 100. C1. Yes. What is a C1? If a cost. Yes. What is a C question? Okay, C1. What is a C question, children? If a cost of one bag. If a cost of one bag is rupees 25 3 by 5. Find the cost of 5 such bags. Find the cost of 5 bags. Okay. Cost of find of 5 bags. So, now write solution, children. What did they give you? Cost of one bag. One bag कितना कहते हैं? Rupees 25 3 by 5. That is nothing but 5 5 that 20. 25 5 that 125. 126, 27, 28. 128 by 5. Now, cost of 5 such bags, 5 bags is equal to 128 by 5 into 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. That is nothing but 120. Therefore, cost of 5 bags is equal to 128. Okay? Write off. Okay, children. In the same way, do the D1. Do the D1, children. In the same way, do D sum for homework. Yes. Now copy E question. E question you all copy. Find the sum of the products. Find the sum of the products of product means multiplication, children. Product means multiplication. Yes, children, find the sum of products. Products means multiplication. Okay, product means multiplication. Products of 2 1 by 4. Yes, 3 1 by 2. Then and 1 1 by 5. 3 2 by 4. Okay, children. Just find the sum of the products. Means first you have to do the product. 2 1 by 4 into 3 1 by 2. Then what is the next one? 1 1 by 5 into 3 2 by 4. Okay, product. That is nothing but 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 into 3 2s are 6, 7. 7 by 2. Then here 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 into 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 4. Now you multiply both of them. 7 9s are 63 by 4 2s are 8. Now 14 6 are 84 by 20. Okay children. Now they are asking you to add these two. First you see 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8. 4 1. That is 21 by 5 here. Now here. Now they are asking you to add. Sum means add children. They are asking you to add 63 by 8 sum 21 by 5. Whenever you want to add both the fractions, you have to get the denominator same. No? I said you know. So what should you do? Now you multiply this 5 with here and 8 with here. That is nothing but 8 into 5. The next step we'll do it. 63 by 8 into 5. This is because to make the LCM తీసుకోకుండా ఇలా చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? Plus 21 by 5 into 8 into 8. That is nothing but 63 5s are 5 3s are 15. 5 or 1 5 6 31. 31 by 40 plus 108 by 40. Now add both. 315 plus 108. 108. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2, 4. That is nothing but 423 by 40. Now, here the question is in mixed fraction. This also you are going to write it in mixed fraction children. So, how you are going to write? Divide. 423 divided by 40. 41s are 40. 2 comes down 3. 3 does not go. 43. That is nothing but 40. No. 123 by 40. Yes children, 40 10s are 400. 40 10s are 400. 40 10s are 400. 23 will be remaining. That is nothing but 10 23 by 40. Yes, come on, right. Yes children, with this we have completed our whole chapter. I asked you to do D1 for homework. D1 for homework. Okay, enough children. With this, we have completed our chapter. In the next class, I am going to explain you about the decimals. Okay, thank you.